you're still his friend, aren't you?
Sure.
Well, it would be very helpful if you could let him know that.
Oh, I'll tell him.
Oh, there's my friend.
Oh.
See ya. Bye-bye.
Okay, well, thank you, Mr.
Rogers.
Mr. Rogers. Okay. Bye, Mr. Rogers. I'm Big Bird. Mr. Rogers! That was Mr. Rogers! Oh, my goodness. That was... Bye, Mr. Rogers!